Alright guys, good morning and welcome back. Alright, so this video is made for those people that are still learning fashion designing. Now, I have seen some people asking how can they make use of YouTube to learn fashion designing. Now, before you start making use of YouTube, it is important that you also know what you are looking for on YouTube, right? So this video will guide you to tell you how to make good use of YouTube and every other social media like Facebook to know or to gain knowledge or for you to be able to learn with the help of these social media platforms. So if this sounds like what you want to learn, kindly stick around, watch the video to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and also drop your comments. And lastly, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So now let's get down to the main thing proper. Now, I will assume that you are learning how to sew clothes and you are learning male or female, for example. Now, the first important thing you need to know is that you must know that there are some terms that are associated with this fashion designing, both male and female. If you're learning how to sew male clothes, you should know that you'll be hearing terms like flap, crotch, armhole, neckline, and every other components of a male outfit. Now, these terms are something that you can learn with time. As time goes on, you will tend to understand these terms. So you don't need to, bug yourself or see it like something that is impossible. It is very possible to learn all of these terms. So what you should be doing is to watch videos. Now, the videos you're going to watch are from top channels that are dealing on those area of interest, right? For example, if you want to learn how to make male clothes, I would recommend you watch my channel from the beginning, where I have made my first videos and explained all you need to know from scratch. But if you still want to have a clearer understanding, you can still drop your comments in the comment section of this video. So now, after you have learned those terms, now the next thing to do is to learn how to read your tape, right? Learn how to read the tape, because this tape or any other one you have is the foundation to every successful sewing that you are going to encounter on your sewing journey. Now, there's no way that you can maneuver knowing how to read the tape. You must learn this tape very well. Like, you must be able to interpret the tape in a very simple form. So I have made videos on how to do this on my channel, like how to read the tape and how to take measurements, which is the next thing that you need to know. So I will also be dropping the video links on all of these things in the description box of this particular video. So by the time you're able to know these terms, know how to read your tape, know how to measure, you have understood the foundation of your fashion journey. Now, the next thing you will do is to know how to cut. Now, you need to start from the simplest style first. Don't go and start from suits when you have not learned how to make a shirt. Don't go and pick up ambiguous styles or big styles to sew. You have to start from the simplest form of outfit. Now, any outfit that has a flap, a sleeve, back facing, front panel, back panel is what you should start with. Don't bother yourself about design yet. Instead, be worried about how to cut a good cloth, how to gum it, how to sew it, and how to fit it on your customer. So when you're able to, take these steps, you will see yourself growing in a very systematic order, unlike when you're not organized. So if you're able to get these processes tabulated, you will see yourself growing. Now, after the simplest step, you go to make a simple trouser. You can start buying fabrics that are cheap, these Ankara fabrics that you can afford in the market. make the simplest of the styles. Don't go for ambiguous styles. Sew a plain cloth first, because without knowing the foundational block designing, you will not be able to add designs, or those designs might really push you off balance. But if you're able to get these processes, streamlined, you will understand better off when you go to bigger styles. So the next thing you also learn how to do is how to sew a simple short for a male. If you're learning a male outfit, so learn how to sew a simple shirt, and which all of these videos are on my channel. So these things I'm telling you now are the best steps you can use to grow your knowledge on fashion designing. The same thing applicable on the female aspect as well. So, and I feel when you get to know how to use YouTube by searching what you want, you will be able to know who and who to follow, right? So I will take my time to show you guys how to use YouTube, and also let you understand that any video you like on YouTube, you comment, you share, it helps you as well to keep a tab on the person's channel. So whenever he or she uploads video, you will be notified that someone that you watched previously has uploaded a new video. So you'll be able to take a view of it and know how to go about it. And I want to also state here that to subscribe to a channel is free. It is not something that you can pay for. Subscription is free. It's just like being a friend to someone on Facebook, or being a follower to someone on Twitter or Instagram, or having someone's number in your phone. That is how subscription works. You're not meant to pay. The only time you pay is when you become a channel member, where you now pay a certain amount of money on monthly or yearly basis, as the case may be, right? So feel free to subscribe to any channel that you love. You are not going to pay any money to anybody. It's just a way of keeping a track of that channel, because sometimes if you don't subscribe, when you come back on YouTube, you will forget the person's name, and you might lose track of the details of information you might want to get on the person's channel. So any channel you come across with from today, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment on that video, so that you also be notified when he or she uploads or makes new video. So in my previous videos I made, I asked you guys if I should recommend or suggest some channels on YouTube that you will follow, and I got some comments, people asking me to suggest. So here I will not mention names of channels, because this is not a paid advert. So I will just show you guys how to search for knowledge on YouTube, where you will now be able to pick any channel of your choice and subscribe to their platforms, right? So let's get down to the main video proper. Let's see how to get your YouTube channel you love. So here I am using a neutral channel, so you can understand how these things works. So here you come to this is a new channel that I just opened. There is no videos in it, right? So I'm yet to even create a channel with it. So you can still search for it and subscribe to my channel. But then this is my main channel, Mr. Redefined Clothing, right? So now when you come to a channel, let me just first of all show you mine. Then this is my channel, right? So this subscribe button here is free. When you just click on it, you are just being a friend to this channel. You are not going to pay any money to be a friend, right? So that is the main thing I want you to understand when you click on the subscribe button. So when you have gotten a channel like this, you click on the channel name, then you come to videos, right? And then these are the videos I have uploaded so far. So now if you want to search anything here on my channel, when you come to my channel this way, you just click here. Let's say how to take a perfect male measurements, right? You click on it, so it brings you my videos I have done on taking measurements.
All right, guys,
so this is one of the videos I have made on measurement, right? Better still, you can still go through this, and then you'll be seeing other channels as well that has made videos on this measurement section. So anyone you watch, you now know if you love what the person has
Hello
done
guys, welcome
or
back.
is doing.
All
Then
right,
you can
so in
now
this video now,
subscribe to the person's channel, right? So like I said, I will not mention channel names because this is not a paid advert, but I will show you how to go about it. That is why I am taking my time to run through all of these things, right? So this is how to get your information from YouTube. You search with a keyword and it comes out to give you all
when
you
you're
need
measuring
to
your
know.
chest, this is
So this
what
is also
you
a
do
good
to
channel
figure
as
out what
well.
size
So I will
jacket you wear.
subscribe to it,
So what you want to
and
do
then
is you want
still
to
enter their
make sure the
channel
tape is straight
and
across.
see more of their videos, right? This is how it is. So now we are done with this measurement section. Now let's check how to read the measurement tape, right? So now you click on it. Now you see every other channel that has done videos on this. So anyone you see, you click on the channel, and one of the things you use to know a channel is from the views. Though most times the views does not justify the knowledge, but I think it's one of the ways as well you know a good channel. So these are the channels that has done videos on how to take a good measurement or how to read the tape, right? So this one has even gone far to bring it out as a drawing on a paper. So anyone you see, you now click on their channel and then go through and watch all of their videos. Now the next I will show you is how to take a perfect female measurement, right? Measurement. So when you search on it, you will also see other channels that has done videos like this in the past. Then you click on them and watch accordingly, and then make sure you also like their videos, subscribe to their channel if you love what they are doing. So this is how to make good use of YouTube. So here is my friend and brother in the person of Legendary. So this is a video he made 3 years ago, and he has 111k views. So which is very much
you're welcome.
right?
My name is
So give it a
Legendary
thumbs
Boss
up,
247,
and then
and in this
you
video,
go ahead to check other ones as well. So this is how you search for knowledge on YouTube, so that you don't get lost when you are on YouTube and you don't know how to. When you just click on your search engine and search any topic, it will bring out anything you want, people that has done it before. So let's say how to cut a male trouser, right? So you just search on it, you see videos, people that has done videos on trouser, it will come out. Then you now search. So if you now feel that any person's channel is good enough, you can now add the person's name on the search engine. Let's assume I want to search Redefined, and let's say how to cut a male trouser by Mr. Redefined Clothing. So when you now personalize it, it will now bring you exact person that you have added his or her name, because you have known that this channel is good in what they are doing. So this is all the videos I have made on trouser drafting. You see, 4 years ago I made this video. It has 176k views. That means that this video is a very nice video for you guys to watch.
In today's video, I want to show us
Right?
how to cut
So
on
this is
trouser
how you
and
go
possibly
through
the
all of
coupling
this.
processing.
Look at the one I also made 2 years ago. It has 3k
and then
views.
this video now
So
is
this
going
is
to
how you go through all of these. This as well 4 years ago.
And welcome back once again. In today's video, I want to show us how to cut an L shot.
So this is also the one I did 1 year ago. So this is how you go through watching videos.
Hello guys,
and
good evening and welcome
making
back.
sure
All right, so
that
in
your
this video, I want
search engines are what's it called, filtered, right? So you also meet other content creators, other YouTubers that has done other videos on this topic as well. So anything at all you want to search, let's check female. How to cut and sew a female skirt. Let's start with skirts, right? So you see the videos will come out immediately, with different YouTubers having done a video on them before. So you see anyone you like. Once you have watched any of the videos,
my
you
name
can
is
now
Case, the host
subscribe
of
to
the
their
Case
channel
Signature.
this way,
And today I'll
and
be
then
making
go
a pencil
ahead
sketch, which is
to
so
do
easy
every
to
other
make.
thing
So let's just go
you
through
like.
the
So this
measurements.
subscription now,
Here I have my
I have done on
horizontal
this
measurement and my
signature
vertical
will
measurement. My
help me
horizontal measurement,
to
that is the
have
size.
access to her channel without searching her channel. So that's the essence of the subscription that we do have on channel. So as well, if you also click on her channel as well, you also see other videos that she has done, and then you now watch as many as you want, right? So don't always wait for you to be in need of knowledge before you can go through searching for
To my
knowledge.
YouTube channel.
Always go
My
ahead
name
of
is
time,
Nancy, and if this
watch
is your
their
first time,
videos, subscribe to the ones you love their channel, and make sure you drop
Hi
a
everyone,
comment,
welcome back
leave a
again to
thumbs
my
up
YouTube
on their
channel today.
channels.
So you might
This goes a long way to encourage them to make more videos just like this, right? So this is how you make use of YouTube. So let's assume that I'm searching corset for female. Let's assume I'm searching corset for female. Let's search how to cut a corset, right? So for female, so you see the videos has popped up immediately. So the reason, one of the information you have to get here is that you must know the keywords of what you are searching. So when you know the keywords of what you are searching, you will be able to make do with YouTube to upgrade your skill even without going to a fashion school. Now, I'm not saying that fashion schools are not good. They are good enough. They are very good. But don't go when you can't afford it. Or don't be desperate enough to go to fashion school. You only go to fashion school when you have the capital, to afford it and to also pay for it. So before you get that money, you can now start using YouTube to upgrade your skill. Everything you need in this life is on YouTube, right? So everything you want to search, even like let's search how to cut a senator top, let's say by Mr. Redefined, right? So put my name or any name you want. You see the videos I have done will come all out for you guys. So when you now click on it,
Good morning and
you
welcome
watch,
back.
like,
Alright, so in
drop
this
a
video
comment.
now, I want to show
You can
us
just
how
simply
to
drop a
make
heart
or draft
emoji
our basic
if
top.
you don't know
Now,
what to
first
type.
and foremost,
Now
first
this
thing you need
shows
to
that
do
you love
is
what
to
I
get your
am
fabric
doing,
as well,
right?
and then fold
Fine.
in this
So
form.
once you have done this, you can go through the whole other videos you have and watch them, and make sure you follow the ones you like, the channels you have seen their videos, and you will always appreciate their jobs. So this is how
Welcome back once again. In today's video, I want to show us how
from
to
any of these channels you have now subscribed to that channel, you can now get to learn some terms from them by the terms they use. You make sure you observe closely and see the terms they are using,
Now,
and
most
then
people
make sure you
have been
work
asking me to create a video
with
on
the
this,
terms they have
how
mentioned.
to achieve the design.
All right, guys. So I believe
Please
this
make
video must have
sure
gone a long way
you watch
to
the
give
end,
you more insight
comment,
on how
share.
to use YouTube, and I pray you will always make good use of this.
All right, guys. Good
So if
morning
you have
and
a
welcome back.
question,
All right,
don't
so
forget to
in
ask in the comment section. Like this video I have made now. Ask your questions and drop some suggestions if you have any. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.